Ramadan is the perfect opportunity to indulge in a variety of recipes that embody the essence of this festive season. From scrumptious appetizers to yummy main courses and irresistible desserts, there is a wide range of culinary delights that you can explore. Let our chef lead the way and guide you in creating some unforgettable dishes that you can enjoy during your Ramadan gatherings.
Hello everyone, this is Chef Tarun. Ramadan is around the corner and you must be thinking what to create during iftar or suhoor. Well, I am here to solve all your problems. In today's recipe, we are going to create a chaat, a version of chaat. Why? Everyone loves chaat. It has lot of flavors, it has textures, it has colors. So in today's recipe, we are going to cook baklava aloo chaat. Well, you all know baklava is a Middle Eastern dessert. It has a layer of phyllo sheets. It has a filling of nuts. It is sweet. But this time, I'm going to use baklava as an important element in my chaat. And instead of potato, I'm going to use sweet potato in my chaat. So let's check out the ingredients. Roasted sweet potato, pomegranate, chopped onions, fresh coriander, saved namkeen, chaat masala, phyllo sheets, and we have some chutneys. So let's start cooking. Our first step is to bake phyllo sheets into the oven. You can also bake them into air fryer, which is at 180 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes until they become crispy and golden color. But I have prepared here in advance. So I have my phyllo sheets which are super crispy, baked into the oven, and which we are going to use as an important element in our dish. Now we're going to take our sweet potato and we are going to cut them into rough cubes. Sweet potato is a very versatile ingredient. You can replace potato with sweet potato with anything. Imagine making a samosa filling with sweet potato. Imagine making aloo chaat like what we are going to do today with sweet potato. And I just have simply bake them into the oven at around 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. So this is ready. There goes my sweet potato. We will take fresh onions. If you don't like the fresh raw onions, you can simply avoid it. It's completely fine, it is optional. Then we will have fresh coriander. I always like to have some freshness in my chaat or in any salads also. So fresh coriander is always a good addition, plus it gives a nice color to the dish. And of course, chaat masala. The chaat is incomplete without chaat masala. So about 2 teaspoons. And we are going to add some chutneys. So we have tamarind, mint and coriander, and plain yogurt. Now we're going to mix them gently. So till now the process is super easy. We just have to mix the ingredient. If you have pre-boiled or roasted sweet potato ready, it is super easy. It's just a game of 5 to 7 minutes. So now I'm going to assemble my chaat. So we will begin with our plating. It's going to assemble the chaat. I will place some crispy phyllo sheets on the bottom. You can simply break them with your hands. Sweet potato. Now we are going to do layer by layer. So I'm going to add another layer of phyllo sheet here. This is more of a stacking. It is more like a deconstructed version of chaat. I'm going to use my chutneys here. We'll drizzle tamarind. Then we have mint and coriander, yogurt, fresh pomegranate, crispy save, and fresh coriander. So your baklava aloo chaat is ready to serve. This is such a perfect appetizer to start your iftar or to break your fast with, or you even have it for the suhoor as well. So baklava aloo chaat is ready to serve, and now we will move on to our next drink, which is citrus cooler. So it's time for a drink which is citrus cooler. If you like citrus flavor, this cooler drink is cooler than you think. It is full of deliciously bold flavors, fresh flavors. So let's check out the ingredients. So we have fresh grapefruit, we have lemon, honey, hibiscus extract, and we have sparkling water. To begin with the drink, we're gonna slice half of a lemon. I'm gonna squeeze lemon juice here. Then we take our grapefruit, we slice into half. Look at the beautiful color. We're gonna squeeze out the half grapefruit into the glass. Now we take honey. I usually avoid any sugar or sweetener, so I like honey using in my drink. So I'm gonna use only 1 teaspoon of honey. Sparkling water. It has got nice fizz with the lemon. I'm gonna swirl it around. The fragrance of fresh citrus lemon, it is so captivating, it is so hard to resist. Fresh hibiscus extract. Look at the beautiful color. For garnish, we can use grapefruit, or even you can use lemon as well. I like using grapefruit because it gives you a nice color. So we cut them into half and then quarter. Again, cut it into more half, and then I'm gonna take this size of it, a little bit from the bottom. It's like I didn't cut through full, so it is like only halfway, a 3/4, and I'm gonna hang in there. So your citrus cooler drink is here with the hint of hibiscus extract. So here we have our iftar special baklava aloo chaat paired with citrus cooler, and I have put the entire citrus flavor into the drink, and it pairs well with the chaat because the chaat doesn't have any lemon. So it's gonna pair really well. So do try out this recipe and do let us know in the comments. We will come back with new episode next week. Till then, Ramadan Kareem to you and your family.